Now here we will understand the most important characteristics of algorithm, that is efficiency of algorithm. We have seen the characteristics of algorithm in previous lecture. So the important characteristic that will be used in design and analysis of algorithm is efficiency of algorithm. So we will understand this. What do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency is running time of an algorithm. Although we get the running time of the program, and that we get exact running time, but approximate running time of we can calculate the approximate running time of the algorithm. So here we will do the comparative study of two algorithms. As we know that there could be more than one algorithms to solve the same problem. That is, there could be more than one algorithm to solve the same problem. For example, if we want to sort the number, sorting करना है, we have several algorithms, like we have bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, heap sort, merge sort, etc. And we also know that all of these algorithms have different running time, that is, they have different efficiency or complexity. So today we will consider two algorithms. One is insertion sort and another one is merge sort, and we will see the comparative efficiency of these two algorithms. As we know that from the data structure that this insertion sort takes C1 into n square time order, where n is number of input values. Size of input is n. And merge sort at the same time takes n into log n base 2 time. This is C2 input, where C1 and C2 are two constant values, and we also know that C1 is less than C2. The constant here that is derived after computing the complexity is integer value, and C1 is smaller than C2. Now one thing is that insertion sort algorithm has better efficiency. Insertion sort has better efficiency for a small input value, that is n, than merge sort. So here we can see that the running time of insertion sort is more than this running time of the merge sort, because this is order of n square and this is n into log n, and we know that this if we assume this as n into n, so this n is equal and the second n will be greater than log n, so log n value will be smaller than n, so n square will be greater than n log n base 2. Instead of this, merge sort takes lesser time for smaller input, but whenever input size is increased, that is large enough, then merge sort performs better. So if n is small, if n is small, then insertion sort takes order of n time, while this takes order of n log n base 2 time. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Now we will consider two computers. Here is computer A and here is computer B, and computer A is fast and this computer B is slower computer. That is, it is taking 1 billion instructions per second. 1 billion instructions per second. That is, it is executing 1 billion, that is equal to 10 to the power 9 instructions per second, while this is slower computer and it is executing 10 million instructions per second, that is 10 to the power 7 instructions per second. So computer A is executing 10 to the power 9 instructions per second and computer B is executing 10 to the power 7 instructions per second. Computer B is slow. Suppose a programmer writes a code for this insertion sort algorithm, and he writes the code in machine language. This insertion sort is written in machine language, and we know that machine language is faster, and it is having 2 into n square instructions. This code is having 2 n square instructions, and the program of merge sort is written in high level language, and this program has 50 n log n instructions base 2. Here C1 constant equal to 2 and here C2 constant equal to 50, that is C1 is lesser. Now see the execution time. So execution time or efficiency will be, efficiency in this case will be 2 into 10 to the power 6 square because n is 10 to the power 6. N is here, we have in both the cases n is equal to 10 to the power 6 number, that is input is very large, and here the efficiency will be 50, that is constant, C2 into n log n, that is 10 to the power 6 log 10 to the power 6 base 2, and this divided by speed of the computer, that is 10 to the power 9 instructions per second, and here we have 10 to the power 7 instructions per second. So if we calculate this, then this value comes out to be 2000 seconds, while in case of merge sort it is coming out to be roughly 100 seconds. So we can see here, even after being the computer be slower and program is written in high level language, the merge sort algorithm is performing far better than this insertion sort algorithm. It is taking less time. It is taking less time for large value of n, while it is taking more time for large n. Here n is 10 to the power 6, that is input values are 10 to the power 6. So generally here in design and analysis of algorithm, we will compute the efficiency of algorithm for large value of n, and this is very intuitively can be understood that for smaller values there is no need to compute efficiency of the algorithm, because we can also accomplish the task for smaller input size by hand.